Hey guys, this is Joeteck from Joeteck PC Services. Doing another repair fan video, fan repair video. This one, I finally got my power supply back, which is great. I have a Sorensen power supply. It does 20 volts. Up to 20 volts at 3 amps. It's completely variable. Which, right here, you know, I could go down to nothing, all the way up to 20 volts. But we want 13.8, and this fan is actually, well, actually we want 12 volts, so not 13.8. We want 12 volts, and this fan is having some problems. It's not spinning. See there, I turned on the power. Current is cranked up all the way, and it's just shaking. If I start it to go, then it starts to go. But this thing should really rip raw. It's making all kinds of noise. It's just not good. So we need to lubricate this bad boy. And when I put it upside down like this, it's really noisy, making all kinds of noises. So we're going to take off this label. And I really didn't think that this would happen to a Sun-On. They're one of the best, I think, one of the best fan manufacturers out there. Just because I thought this was ball bearing, but I could be mistaken. And what's interesting with some of these fans, that they have a plug on them, and you're going to see it right now. Here's a plug here. This thing here, this comes off. Let's get it off. I should have. Come on. Well, there's a plug. We need to get that off because the thing that we need is on the inside. Okay, I got it out. I needed a razor blade. Apparently it was stuck in there, but we got it out. It looks like this fan had some major damage done to it, the inside of it. It appears to have some major damage done. I don't know if you can see it. Too much. I don't have enough light here. I was purposely trying to make it so you could see it better. I had a lot of light on it, but then it was getting a little too. So anyway, inside of here, this looks like there's a lot of. It feels like it melted. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to lubricate it as best we can and see if we can fix this. So we're going to apply power onto it. Let it make its noise. And you know my way, I use I have the cup of oil here and a paper clip. I just dip it in, let the oil dip into make a little droplet on the bottom of it. Make sure you get it on the inside completely. Yep, there it goes. Let's see if it goes through and through here. Just sped up. Oil is finally going through it, which is good news. Hopefully that squeal will go away. And it does. Here we go. We're full blast now. Wow. That's rip-roaring. Lower the voltage down a little bit here. That's awesome. That fan's fixed. Since we can't use that same label, well, I guess maybe I could. It doesn't have too much sticky to it. We're going to put this cover back on it. And we're going to seal it with electrical tape. that's it. That was a good repair. That one came out perfect. Because it actually didn't work. I know it does. So we'll do... I dropped it down to 9 volts on purpose. So I could actually... It's probably why it's squealing a little bit, because I have it low voltage, so it's trying to put the other piece on. So I do it in an X format, like that. So let's crank it up to 12. Oh yeah, much better. Perfect. Fan's repaired. Gotta love it. Let's see if we can actually get that thing back on. Probably can't. There's a sticky's not there, but oh, it's not bad. Ooh, that was my finger hitting the blade. It slipped off. We're good. Home run, man. We got ourselves a fan working order. It's back in business. Take care, guys.